The Lok Sabha was adjourned till 12 noon after paying tributes to sitting MP Mulayam Singh Yadav and other departed members. Counting of votes for Gujarat and Himachal Pradesh Assembly elections will be held tomorrow. Reserve Bank of India today hiked the policy repo rate for a fifth consecutive time by 35 basis points to 6.25%. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has urged all political parties to take collective efforts to make the winter session of Parliament more productive. In cricket, Bangladesh were 107 for 6 in 27.1 overs in the second ODI against India at Sher-e-Bangla National Stadium in Dhaka. When reports last came in earlier, the hosts won the toss and chose to bat.